nutribullet Chill, getting to know your ice cream maker. This video will review assembly and setup, how to use, control panel, making a frozen treat, cleaning, storage, best practices, and troubleshooting. Assembly and setup. When you unbox your ice cream maker, you'll find the following items inside the box: 2 16-ounce pint cups, a blade block, a blade shaft with blade, a blade cover, and 2 storage lids. How to use. You'll need to move the blade shaft into its home position. Avoid touching the blade. It will need to be fully retracted and touching the blade block. To assemble to the pint cup, rotate the blade block onto the pint cup until secure. To install into unit, place the assembled pint cup onto the motor base, sliding it over the drive shaft. Make sure to align the tabs on the cup with the notches on the motor base. Then, gently push down and turn clockwise to lock. To remove from the motor base, press and hold the release button while turning the pint cup counterclockwise. Getting to know your control panel. Welcome to your control panel. You can select from 5 programs, each running between 3 to 4.5 minutes. Ice cream, sorbet, frozen yogurt, gelato, and smoothie bowl. Once a program is selected, press the center button to start. To pause the program at any time during processing, tap the button. Tap the button again to resume the program. To cancel the program and return the blade to the home position while paused, press and hold the button for 5 seconds. Red lights indicate an error. Please reference the troubleshooting section. Making a frozen treat. With your assembled pint cup, gently push down and turn clockwise to lock until it clicks. Select a program and press the circle to start. The progress indicator shows how far along you are. Depending on the program, your chill may start and stop several times mid-cycle before it finishes. Your chill will beep when the program is complete. Press and hold the release button and rotate the pint cup counterclockwise to remove. Careful, the shaft might be warm. Hold by the cup or the blade block. You can use the provided storage lid or blade cover as a rest. Cleaning. To clean in the dishwasher, disassemble, rinse, and place into the top rack of your dishwasher. Make sure to separate the blade shaft from the blade block. To hand wash, disassemble and hand wash each part. Separate the blade shaft from the blade block. Allow all parts to air dry thoroughly. Allow the blade block and blade shaft to dry separately. If there are any spills on the inside of your unit, wipe clean with a damp cloth. Storage. You can store your unit by placing the blade block cover onto the unit. Do not store the blade in the unit. To store the blade, you can place the assembled blade block with blade shaft onto the cover, or the blade can be stored securely inside one of the pint cups. You can store your cord by tucking it inside the unit. Best practices. When prepping recipes, do not fill over the max line. If you do, discard the excess until it's under the max line. Make sure there's no liquid on the threading. Wipe clean. For best results, freeze for 24 hours and do not thaw prior to processing. Ensure the cup stays vertical in the freezer to avoid uneven freezing. Do not add any loose mix-ins prior to processing. All loose ingredients will fall to the bottom of the pint cup and will not be processed. Loose ingredients may damage your unit. Troubleshooting. Different freezer temperatures can sometimes cause bulging in the frozen recipe. To remedy this, run hot water over a metal spoon. Scrape the bulge until it's flat and out of the way of the blade. Assemble the cup and proceed with the recipe as usual. If the blade gets stuck in the motor base, first unplug the unit. Gently push the blade counterclockwise with a towel. With the towel, pull up to remove from the motor base. Error states. This is what a check blade error looks like. Sometimes the blade may not be in position. Press the release button and rotate to remove the assembled cup. Pull the shaft down so the blade is flush to the bottom. Gently push down and turn clockwise to lock, and proceed with your selected program as usual. Start pause circle blinking red. This error means that the drive shaft may not have been in the home position before starting the run, or the run may have been interrupted due to excessive load, like a blockage or improper mixture. Tap the flashing center button to allow your blade shaft to reverse direction to the home position. Do not remove the pint cup mid-process. If you do, this will cause an error, leaving the drive shaft in an up position. Start pause circle, solid red. This error could have been caused by removing the pint cup mid-process, or an interrupted run in which the mixture may have been too difficult. To correct this, remove the blade block from the cup and attach it to an empty cup. When you mount this to the unit, the blade will seem higher than normal. That's okay. The start button will now be flashing red. Press the start button to send the blade back to its home position. If the progress ring lights are solid red, call customer service for assistance.